Happy Friday! I'm back. I hope everybody had a great week this week. So we're going to continue a little bit on our journey on our trip. And if you look at the newsletter, you're going to see that we are now on Monday, September 1st. So we're going to leave the big city of Dublin and we're going to get out into the countryside, which this really is going to make you feel like you're in Ireland, in my opinion. So our first stop in the morning after we have breakfast, we'll have breakfast at the hotel. We'll be at Kilkenny, and this is where the castle is, the Kilkenny Castle. So we'll get to visit that. I've not seen it, so I'm very excited. Some of you in the group had requested this, so I'm super excited to visit it with you all for the first time. One little side note, or I guess if you call it a fun fact, it's not as common knowledge, they say, but they're saying that it's said, I'm going to read this from what I had found on my research, but it said that the ruins, under the ruins of St. Nicholas Church is where the grave of Santa Claus is. So it's just a cute little information on the area in County Kilkenny and about Santa Claus. I included a little link with a show that was done that talked about St. Nicholas. So, and you know, how Santa Claus became Santa Claus. I just thought it was awfully cute. Completely side note, but it tied into that he is buried in the county of Kilkenny. Santa Claus. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so as we continue on our journey, then we're going to be going to the beautiful Waterford Crystal Factory. Now, when I went there the last time, it wasn't open, so I am super excited that it is, so we can go and see this. I'm not sure if you've ever traveled to Italy before, but I have seen how Murano glass is made. I've done that, and it's spectacular. So equally spectacular is this famous Waterford crystal. So I'm excited to see how the behind the scenes on how it's all made. And I think I plan to buy something here. I don't know if you guys will, but I hope we have time. I'm sure we'll have time to have a little purchase of Waterford crystal. So that'll be fun. So that's going to be in the afternoon. And then we're going to be staying in County Cork, in Cork. So we're at the River Lee Hotel. And we do have a group dinner in the hotel. Usually dinner reservations are 6:30 or 7, and our driver guide will let us know. But we'll be at the grill at the hotel. So I'm very excited for the dinner and maybe to do a little walkabout that evening, should we have energy. Anybody that wants to walk around a little bit, we'll maybe do that after dinner. So very fun-filled day. I also have included here our travel map, so you can start to see, you know, our route as we're traveling throughout the island. So I do have some travel tips on there that came across my desk. One of those was about portable chargers when traveling with portable chargers. So you'll see the question and the answer there, as well as will there be a refrigerator in my room, which is a very good question for anybody that has meds that needs to be refrigerated. So I've got the answer there for that as well. And then I did include the FAA Pack Safe document. So you can click on that, and it's a document that walks through, including about the portable charger information. So you can check that out too. All right, guys, that's it. We're, you know, doing Kilkenny, Waterford Crystal Factory. We'll get into Cork that night, have a nice dinner, maybe do a little walk around afterwards if we're up to it, or just sit at the bar in the hotel. I'm sure we'll find something to do, but I'm excited. I'm so excited as we're getting out of Dublin and moving on. I hope you are too. And I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I hope you're enjoying your 4th of July or have enjoyed, and see some great fireworks tonight. And yeah, we'll see you next Friday.